Worcester Bosch Green Star RI boiler range is perfect for small to medium-sized homes that have a hot water cylinder and a traditional heating system. It's our most popular boiler and one of our most flexible, coming in regular and compact versions. With a range of outputs available, it's easy for an installer to pick the right one for your home's heating and hot water needs. It can be hidden away inside a standard kitchen cupboard and is easy to install. It can even go in the loft or garage, thanks to its inbuilt frost protection. A wide range of controls are supported by the Green Star RI range, including our internet-connected control option, which offers smart home integration. Thanks to its clever heat exchanger, you'll get heating and hot water you can rely on while still reaching an A-grade energy rating for your home. If you're looking for an efficient and versatile regular boiler, the Worcester Bosch Green Star RI range is the answer.